Hey guys, good morning. Oh my god. So today I want to be trying something different. I've been going on YouTube recently to see what I can do, or what people are doing to actually lose some weight. And I've seen that most people are talking about this water, is it rice water and lemon therapy? Yeah, so I'm saying that okay, let me try. They say you have to take it on an empty stomach. And some people have been saying that they've been seeing some changes. Some say they lose about 1 and 7 kg, stuff like that, under 7 days. By taking that water at least two to three times a day. And also the egg therapy. All right, some people say after doing that egg dieting or stuff like that, they lost whooping 10 kg as well with a little bit of exercise. So I'll be trying that as well. Okay, see, I'm just waking up this morning. I'm supposed to be going to the gym, but for some reason I slept late and I kind of woke up by 6 a.m. Yeah, this is let's see. Yep. So this is like 6:21 a.m. Yeah, 6:21 a.m. So I'm gonna just try to do a little bit of exercise for like 25 minutes, 20 to 5 minutes, and then I'll get ready. So while doing that, I'll be getting ready with the whole boiling of eggs and trying to do the water stuff therapy, which I'm supposed to take on an empty stomach. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, before we do that, let's check our weight. Okay, though we lost about 1.8 kg last week, I'm gonna try to check if it's still there or I've added, because I'm not gonna lie, this weekend I was not so careful. I went for an occasion. I ate yesterday night again. My husband is just something else. He brought this chicken and blah blah blah. I'm supposed to control my long throat, but for some reason I ate. So I'm very sure I might likely have added a little bit, but let's check and see. Okay, yeah, let's go guys. Let's check our weights. I'm not gonna lie, like just checking this weight right now, I don't even know what I'm supposed to feel. So meaning that my whole last week exercise and everything is just gone like that, because I mean I was 89.6 when I started last week, and after on Friday I was 87.4. And just for me to check now again, you can see I'm back to 89.5. It's really discouraging. I mean, I'm not really surprised because I know over the weekends I was very very reckless with what I ate and stuff like that. So, but let's see if this whole new therapy this week is gonna help to it's gonna come to the rescue. I hope. It's not easy, guys. It's not, but we're not giving up. Let's see what we can do this week as well. Okay, let's go, guys. I found about this therapy when I was going through YouTube, and people said it was very, very helpful. So I decided to give it a try. First thing first, I brought my cup. All right, the jug I'm going to be making it for, add a little bit of rice. I'm using a basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. That's what so many people have been saying. Mind you, this is the Dr. Mendel's own version of the Rice Zempic. Okay, so then I get my green tea. After putting the rice, I get my green tea out. You put your green tea inside the cup as well. There are different kinds of green tea. Use any one of your choice, okay? Then we have the lemon or the lime. You can use any of them, all right? Mind you, we know what lime does to the body and what lemon does, all right? They are basically for fat burning. So you add a little water, obviously. I'm using just normal temperature water, and then I'm using the lemon. So you're going to squeeze this lemon into the lemon juice. You're going to squeeze it into the mixture. All right, you're going to squeeze it into the mixture, and then you also add the Cayenne pepper. Now this is for those who want a little bit of spice, a little bit of hotness in the tummy. You just add a little bit of the Cayenne pepper, mix everything together and then you add a little bit of honey. Okay, it's not compulsory, but I just added it a little bit so that I could be able to drink it, after which you just turn it and allow it. You can see I did it around 6:37. Now it's already 7 something. So mind you, when you finish everything, you're just gonna leave it for like 10, 15, 20 minutes. But on my own case, I left it to go and do some little bit of exercise after you've left it. So basically I left mine for about 50 minutes. It's not recommended. You can even leave it for just 5-10 minutes, but I was actually doing something, so I said to leave it that long. And mind you, this mixture is supposed to be taken on an empty stomach. All right, so after that, then what you're going to do is just to shift it out to get the juice out, and what next is to drink it. Guys, you need to see my face. It's a little bit spicy because obviously I put the Cayenne pepper. So just try to do what you were able to take. But trust me, it's not something I just want to do for doing sake. You will have to do it, okay? I hope this works. People say it's been working. Let's hope it works for me. Bye.